begin by loading Internet Explorer and following the provided link. You'll notice that it comes up and you'll be greeted with this. First thing we want to do is I want to turn on the aerial photography. I'm going to come over to the layers and turn on the aerial photography. Give me a little background here in so it gives me a little reference. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close the toolbar window just to show a little more real estate. You can notice that just clicking this button back and forth will allow me to open that. Two things. One is you use the left click button, click and hold, and I can pan, and I'm going to do that again. And then I'm going to use the roller mouse and just a little, it's very sensitive, roll out to roll out, roll in to zoom in. Very simple. So I'm going to pan over here just a bit, pan down, and we'll look at a couple layers that we have on. You can see we're crossing the railroad here. The center line is painted with the colors from red to dark green on the pavement quality. So this is kind of a medium good set of stretch of pavement. We also have the blue, which is the sidewalks and ramps, handicap ramps. The white diamonds are signs and supports and things like that. The series of dots here are the van photo dots representing. And so what I can do is I can hover over one, and if I can get right over one, it should pop up a little window, show me a little bit of data and an image. I'm going to close that, but I want to see more than that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the control key, and you notice my pointer switches to a little hand, and I'm going to drag a window around those, and up comes the data viewer. Now these sample images, these are all of the individual sample images, and I'm running a little short on real estate here, but you can kind of see what I'm looking at. And as I click on each one of these individual ones, the dot will then highlight to show you which one I'm on. If I want to look at one of the camera views, I just pick this, and being able to look, I can look at look out the back, and I can click on down through, get up a little closer to the railroad crossing, and you can see that I'm getting very close now. And what I'm going to do is just click on down to the end of my images. You can see that I'm past the railroad. This time I'm going to look out the rear camera, and you can see that I've already crossed the railroad. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Then I can also right click, clear the map, and then I can move along to somewhere else. Thank you.